What up everyone, this is Turtles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the ERR SYS FILELOAD corrupt game data error that you may be getting in GTA 5. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first one you want to do is you want to open up your Finder folder, or a folder basically on your Windows device, and click into Documents. In here, there's a few things that you want to notice, right? First, if you have OneDrive installed on your Windows device, you want to basically uninstall it and make sure your document folder is not connected to your OneDrive, because a lot of times these are essentially intertwined and connected through that, which is where your Rockstar Games folder ends up becoming, or being saved basically, or made per se. And when that happens, a lot of like fileage or linkage issues end up occurring, which end up causing your games to basically not work or load. So that's a huge one that you need to be basically cognizant of, that you want to make sure you have OneDrive uninstalled from your computer, is not what you're using, and your documents folder is not linked to that directly. If it is, you're going to have to basically make your own documents folder outside of that basically, and then have all of these files moved over there essentially. So yeah, so once you have that, basically copy over these files, go into the game, turn it basically either via Rockstar Launcher or wherever you were basically trying to play the game from, launch the game again. You should be good to go, and you should not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more Turtles out. Peace.